Namaskar, and again, all of you are welcome in our dictionary series where we are trying to commanding our language and the words. So, the five words I have selected for you today are accentuate, excess, accession, acclaim, and accolade. All the five words are having double C. Ac, 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 accentuate, access, accession, acclaim, accolade. That means when we have to, that what we call Paryayavachi, then you have to bifurcate AC in the word part and rest part and the rest in the second part. So first accentuate. What does it mean? To emphasize, bal, force, to emphasize on something or make it more noticeable. To emphasize on something or make it more noticeable. When you are working on your language or the command or the sets of the words, particularly forcefully, then you say, I am accentuating or I am emphasizing on something, make it more noticeable. अधिक सुस्पष्ट करना, making your language command more perfect. अधिक सुस्पष्ट करना, having more clarity on your command. अधिक सुस्पष्ट करना, अधिक प्रभावी बनाना. Oh, you have a very good command over your language. अधिक प्रभावी बनाना, that means you have affected a person in front of you. Access, entry or reaching to a place. Entry or reaching. C is not that much clear. Okay. To entry or reaching to a place. अभिगमन, अभिगमन, जब हम कहीं जाते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं अभिगमन. प्रवेश मार्ग, access. There is a cluster of the peoples and you have a separate route, what you call as a VIP entry. Access, access to entry or reading to a place. Accession, to becoming a king or ruler through what? Using a force. That means the accession is having the force or the use of the force, accession. So you can't become the king or the ruler without having force in the implementation of achieving something. You are achieving something, that is the position of what? To be the king or the ruler of that particular territory. Then this whole process is known as accession. Acclaim, to praise or welcome somebody publicly. Acclaiming, now we are about to acclaiming the medalist we have in the Commonwealth Games. When they are reaching to India, we are going to acclaim them. To praise, acclaim, welcoming, going to airport, welcoming, praising. Oh, these guys have done something very good, great good for India. Acclaim somebody publicly. Accolade, praise, award for an achievement. Praise, award for an achievement. So when we have welcomed all these celebrities, now we are accolading them publicly. Some different organization or the government institution also called upon them. So when they called upon them and facilitating something in the praising, then it is known as accolade, praise, award for an achievement. So these were the five words for today. If you have any query on the question,